guys, good morning. Today's topic is weld metal weight calculation. This video already discussed in two joint, basically single V and the T joint, but it is that video was not completed in the all types of joint. So this video is specially for the all types of joint. You can see the how to weld metal calculation after you finish the welding. This is very important video. Don't miss this video. It's very important for the who is going to inspect the welding as a welding inspector or welding supervisor or the foreman type. Okay, this video is very helpful for them. So you can see this type of single V. You can see there is the old metal calculation, double V with chip bag, the old metal calculation, also the CFW continuous fillet weld. So this video also this all types of fillet joints, how we can calculate the old metal. So it's completed in the explain in the video. So this is very important things, and another things, this is totally explained in the video, so no need explanation by myself. You can understand easily. So how it is calculating. So if you have any doubt, and then you can question to me in the YouTube comment box. So let's start. So I'll give you some idea, and in the video in the meantime I will say something. So let's start. First, you understand plate length is 1000 mm, that is 1 meter, and the material density 8 gram per centimeter cube. So, this is your given details. After that, you have to do the your single B, double B. What are the requirement? You can see here the single B with chip bag. You can see there is three segment they have mentioned Q, P, and R. You can see how they are calculating area of P. So understand easily it is mentioned B into H, breadth into height 3 into 20 mm, 60 mm square. So you understand. So no need explanation by me. Anyway, this is area of Q plus R. You can see total area how they are calculating Q plus R plus P. This is the total area. So total area if you find out, then total volume equal to total area into total length of the plate, that is this mmq what is coming. So after that the density, the volume into density is the weight of the old metal. So you can get the old metal for the single B this joint. Now you can see after chip bag what will happen. Area of S equal to pi by 2 into r square. Everybody knows this formula. 3.14 by 2 into 4 square, 225.12 mm square. Volume equal to length into area, so you can get the volume. After that, same weight of the old metal, volume into density. The formula is same, and we have to calculation as per the figure. Total weight. So before C by B chip bag plus after C by B. So this is whole metal calculation. Double V. This is, you can see the first one is the single V. This is the double V with chip bag. This is also three section Q, P, and R. You can see area of P. This is area of Q and R. How it is calculating Q? This is very important. You know the tan theta equal to y by 20. So you can get that y equal to 10 mm. Then after that area Q plus R, 2 into half B into A. This is the area of triangle. So you can get the area. After that you can find out the total area Q plus R plus P. P already you get 66. 200 plus 66, 266 mm square. So you can get the total volume, that is 266 mm cube. Weight of the whole metal, then simply you can get the volume into density. So this is the formula, very easy formula, but you have to know the particular figure, what are the formula will be coming here. So now same here after chip bag. Area of S 5 by 2 into r square 3.14 by 2 into 10 square 157 mm square. So this is the area, you know, the pi by 2 volume into length into area. So same, you can get the weight here. How it is coming, density, the total weight equal to same, it is the previous one. So this is the continuous fillet weld. This is a very easy formula for the fillet joint. This is, you can see the fillet leg length, it is 5 mm, it is mentioned. 20 is the thickness of the plate. So half into B into H, this is the 5. This is the 5 and this is the 5, you can understand. So this is 12.5 mm square. Now if the volume is 1000 into 12.5, it is 12500 mm3. Weight of the whole metal, you can see the volume into density, that is 0.1 kg. So this is single fillet, it was very easy. Now E groove with chip back. U groove with chip back. This is the radius. You understand the radius here are 12. This is the 100 mm thickness of the plate. Now how it will be calculating, this is also 3 section Q1, P, Q2, S1, S2 and R. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 section is there and 6 section is there. So you have to get the volume of the weight or get the weight for the each section. You see here before chip back the area equal to P, same Q area Q1 plus Q2. You understand, 2 into pi by 4 into R square. This is the area. So this is coming 2 into 3.14 by 4 into 12 square. This is coming 226.08 mm square. So this is the area of Q1 plus Q2. Now they see area of R B into H. So how it is coming? So how many areas are there? You can understand the total 6 areas. So you can find out the all areas weight. Then after that you have to add this weight. You can see here Y area of S1 plus S2. So S1 plus S2 it is coming 2 into half into BH 599.343. So total area it is coming 3217. Then you can see the length into total area, that is coming this mmq. Then after that you can get the weight. So this formula is very interesting and you can get the easily step by step you can get the weight of the old metal. After chip bag you can find out the same area of T, volume of T and weight of the old metal. The same process you have to follow. After that you can get the total weight. Set through nozzle with chip bag. You know, in set through nozzle with the chip bag. This chip bag you should know the set through nozzle, how it will calculating. So this is how many section? One is P, one is O. Two section are there. How it will be calculating? You can see area of P. This is the same formula, and area of Q. This is also 1035 into 20. Then you can understand that is how it is coming. Y equal to 14 mm. So area of Q, total area, total volume. So you can get the, after that you can get the weight. Weight equal to volume into density. Now after chip bag it is coming same pi by 2 into r square. It is coming 25.12 mm square. Volume of R equal to this mmq. So pi into D is the into area. This is the volume of R. Now the density in the volume into volume, it is coming the weight of the whole metal. The total weight it will coming the chip bag plus after CP, so it is coming 2.06 kg. So you understand the oil metal volume calculation. I think this is very interesting, and you can, if you follow the each step, then it is easily to get any of the joint, this type of joint you can get the oil metal weight. That is very important for the who are welding, who are working at site, daily welding. They are doing the daily welding, so it need to be done. It need to be calculated in weekly basis, so that you can understand that how much electrode is required in the upcoming planning project or there. Thanks a lot for this. You watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel to get regular video. Thanks a lot.